If the living space in your home is difficult and expensive to heat and cool, and no matter how high you set the thermostat, your floors are still cold, there's a good chance your crawl space is the culprit. In colder months, your crawl space walls allow heat to escape and frigid, unconditioned air to leak in easily. These temperature changes force your HVAC equipment to overcompensate and work hard to regulate the air in your home, creating a significant loss of energy and an overall inefficient heating and cooling system. Crawl space insulation plays a crucial role in maintaining the structural integrity, energy efficiency, and comfort of your home. To properly insulate the entire home and complete the thermal envelope, you must insulate the foundation walls and rim joists in your crawl space. But not just any insulation will do. Old school methods like fiberglass batt insulation commonly compresses during install, holds moisture, promotes mold growth and wood rot, and easily allows air to pass through, losing all of its R value and its effectiveness. XPS boards like those found in big box stores absorb water and therefore will degrade over time. The best solution, with the world's most advanced insulating technology and performance, is AquaStop Extreme Block. A rigid foam closed-cell insulation board, Extreme Block is a moisture-proof application that serves as a durable, radiant seal around the perimeter of your crawl space. On the inside, vapor-expanded gas-filled cells provide superior thermal resistance, and the exterior sheathing prevents the significant loss of radiant heat, saving you money and improving comfort. Add the AquaStop Extreme Block system to your encapsulation and start enjoying the comfort, energy efficiency, and savings of a properly insulated home.